Hello guys and welcome to the BarnRebuild. Today I will be leveling and hardening the floor for the concrete street. We have 2.5 tons of stone here that needs to be moved to the garage. But as you will see later in this video, there will be too little of it. So we will have to order more, which means we won't be able to finish this stage in this episode. So in the next episode I will be taking the car apart so as not to bore you and not to hold back the release of the new video due to my limited time. Okay, enough explaining, time to get down to work. Enjoy! Okay, all the stone has been thrown in and ranked. It's time to make some noise and compact the ground to see what level I have.
Must be somewhere I can't hold. I'm gone away. I'm gone away. I'm gone away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day for me. A brand new day for love. Brand new day for me. Brand new day for love. Yeah, I'm motorboating.
The compaction was complete. Time to see how much the floor had settled and take measurements. But as I mentioned earlier, the level was too low, and instead of focusing on the level, I was preoccupied with the frame. Later I made another mistake regarding the stone, which was supposed to be poured to the very top to create flat surface. Unfortunately, I realized after compacting it that the level was too low. I don't want to be boring you with the same process twice, so let's move on to the finished dense layer. The level is too low, and I would have to pour 50 centimeters of concrete screed. This is pointless, so I have to order another 2.5 tons of stone so that the final concrete screed is 7 centimeters thick. That's it for today. Please let me know in the comment section below about this project and what you think. Consider subscribe and stay tuned. Peace out.